In today's video, I'm going to be walking through how to set up free shipping on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and click on settings and select shipping and delivery. And here you'll find this option, general shipping rates. So click on manage rates. And here you can see the shipping rate showing up here. To make it free, click on this three dot, edit rate, and delete the price. And here you can see it's free now. Then click on done. And the same way I'm going to making this free. So I'm going to clicking on three dot, edit rate, and deleting the price. Done. And click on save. So this was how we can set up free shippings on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.